Guys, so Archangel Raphael, which is the green ray of healing and restoration. So Archangel Raphael's name means God heals. So he is the divine physician, the bringer of wholeness and renewal. His emerald green light flows through every cell, restoring balance to the body, mind, and spirit. So when you feel weary, anxious, or disconnected from your vitality, call upon Raphael. Close your eyes, place your hands over your heart, and whisper, Archangel Raphael, surround me with your healing light. Renew my body, soothe my mind, and restore my spirit to divine harmony. Breathe deeply and imagine his radiant green light wrapping around you like gentle waves of peace. So blessings of healing and restoration to all who is reading this, who is listening to this. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.